Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I want to show you once again how easy it is to make a fire. We're going to use leaves for tinder, smalls, mediums, and larges. Pay attention to where the air is coming from so that the fire can sustain itself and grow. Let's go to the fire table in the front yard. Some people call it a sawhorse, but we know that it's a fire table. All right. Right behind me we have some Virginia pine. Let's go find some dead standing. Might need a little bit more than that. Let me go get one more piece. I'm going to just break off some of these larges and put them around the outside of the inside. And then put some mediums and put some smalls and get some leaves in there and we'll ferrite ignite them. All right, now we'll put the mediums in there next. Right in the center of these larges. And these are not enough smalls, but I have enough smalls on the ground. I'll show you. And let's see if I can snap all of these at one time. And I'm leaving a little opening right in the center for my leaves, which are right over here. Now I recommend that you just use a Bic to ignite these. Let me get you closer. And I know it's hard to see anything, but and I feel the wind at my back, so I'll put this vent area here facing me. All right, like I say, just use a Bic to ignite these leaves. I'm going to use a ferro rod. It's a Bayite keychain ferro rod. And the good sharp spine of my Mora companion. want to make another strike while it's still smoking like that, because that wood gas, that gas will ignite readily. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm going to put you on time lapse until we have a well sustained fire, and then I'll put it back on regular speed.